Good afternoon. This is a project we started last Friday. This is a 49 or 50 Chevy with a 20-footer paint job on it. Customer bought a one-piece windshield and gasket for it, not through me, but we provided the clips for the windshield, so now it looks like it's supposed to be. Other than our clips are a little more polished than his stainless. Got everything working back in. He also had a huge hole where someone mounted a radio in the dash. It was a birth defect, so the guy had us fix the hole. We fixed the trim. We put a 53-54 rear view mirror in it, which is what I like to do on these cars. So we painted it gunmetal gray, which is kind of close to what was in here. All right, this is what we've been doing.